गोवा चेंबर तशेंच विविध इंडस्ट्रींक एकठांय हाडून बसका घेतले. गोंयकारांक रोजगार मेळोवन दिवप हो सरकाराचो मुखेल हेतू आसा म्हण महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
We'll be calling the meeting of all HR managers and we'll be inviting the Goa Chamber, CII and a lot of people. We'll be discussing these plans and coming out with a solution to this problem. गोंयकारांक एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळप आनी गोंयकार एम्प्लॉय जावप होच हेतू घेवन सरकार इतले इंडस्ट्री आनी इन्वेस्टमेंट मागता आनी तेन्ना वी एक्सपेक्ट दॅट द इंडस्ट्री and government work together. It cannot be versus. So when you look at comments, I think if there are some reservations or issues, they should discuss with the minister concerned or with the government and find a solution to it. We are enabling IT platforms to do this, so it's just simplification of procedures as we do with ease of doing business. We are just adding one liner saying that the Goans need to have an employment opportunity. गोंयकार available ना जाल्यार तयार करूया. तयार कशें करूया तुमकां घेवनूच करूया, इंडस्ट्रीक घेवन करूया, स्कीम काडुया तुमकां इंडस्ट्रीक सपोर्ट करपाक. सो लेट अस हॅव अ पॉझिटिव्ह एप्रोच टू क्रिएट अ सिस्टम wherein Goinkaran employment at all levels are taken care of in the private sector. At the same time, we are able to, as a government, able to also create a favorable environment for the industry. That is it. So the issue of NOC is getting hyped out too much. What are we saying? A small thing of notification which was available in the system for years together.
Follow it.
We are saying just follow it. And follow it with a plan. So any HR of a company does not overnight put ahead. I am also a businessman. I will also have to adhere to the norms. When you work on this type of lines, where the system will be created as a Tatkal system in the long term. So right now, the immediate system what we are trying to adopt to is to come into the frame. So 48 hours or 96 hours, whatever we create, Tatun Samaz, government does not give an approval. It is deemed to be approved. That is what we will work for. There are a lot of couple of other issues what we expect the industry to do to get skilled and empowered skilled people also in place to deliver certain additional things to the industry. What we expect, a lot of ecosystem deliveries in terms of the labor department will be discussed with them. We will also take a lot of inputs from their side. There may be a panel discussion with them. And in this, I think the press and the media also will be invited. So get an overview of what the labor department plans to do to change the scenario. The labor and employment plays a very important role in the industries. But when we talk about employment, it still goes unnoticed. And the question is unemployment कोण कॅटर करतलो आनी कशें टॅकल करतलो हे आयच्या भुरग्यांक प्रश्न पडला. आज आमी IT पॉलिसी घेवन वी हॅव डन वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. आय थिंक दिस टायप ऑफ एनवायरमेंट मात should create unemployment scenario or the people every time wanting to do thing of खंय धांवूं काय म्हणून गोंयांत काय opportunity ना is one level आनी गोंयांत maybe not much skilled, not getting an opportunity for other reasons. गोंयकार काम करूंक सोदना is a common reason. Let us give a try that the new generation has new thoughts.